This is OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 11 excels in two key areas, speed and longevity. This phone has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 8 GB RAM, a 6.7 1440p 120Hz OLED display, triple cameras, 5000 mAh battery, and 80-watt charging, all for $699. Incredible deal. With its impressive screen, big battery, latest chip, it invites comparison to hefty price tags, flagship phones. The Hasselblad branding is back, and we will talk about the cameras in a minute, but also the alert slider is back, literally an iconic OnePlus feature. It has a matte texture on the back and the camera bump not looks too bad. The front steals the show with 6.7-inch display, slim bezel, slight curve over the edges. It has 1440p resolution, 120Hz LTPO OLED, 1000Hz touch rate, 1300 nits brightness, great for today's standard. Using the phone feels super smooth. Fingerprint reader on the display is in just the right spot and it is fast. This phone have a UFS 4.0 for faster storage and LPDDR5X for the quickest memory. This phone is super fast. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is a great chip. OnePlus 11 runs OxygenOS 13.1 with a game-changing upgrade to the game assistant, which is pretty useful. This huge battery is a game changer. 2 days on Quad HD high refresh rate, and if you are not using it much, it can even stretch to 3 days. Unmatched battery life. Charging is super fast with 80-watt charger. Plug in for a few minutes and you can do enough tasks for the next hours. Fast and simple. Now let's dive into the cameras. The 50 megapixel main camera that bends down to 12.5 megapixel delivers sharp and pleasant images if you do not zoom in. It is capable in various shooting scenarios, even in low light with balanced colors. The ultra-wide lens is a bit soft near the edges, but it matches colors well with the main camera. It does do macro shots when you get up close to things, but it's not the best for macro shots. While the software is generally fine, there are a few quirks. Notifications are a very important part of the phone. Unlike other Android phones where you can swipe left or right to clear them, on this phone you can only swipe right. A swipe to the left pulls up settings, adding an extra step to clear notifications, a bit annoying. However, the hardware is nice, the front is sleek and minimal, affordable price with strong performance, one of the fastest smartphones with stellar battery life. So this is it for this phone. For more product reviews, stay with us. Thank you.